Want to use ChatGPT more efficiently with the best auto prompts to get your research or data perfectly organized? No worries. It takes just a minute to save you tons of time crafting prompts. Start by searching for ChatGPT by OpenAI. Click Login and continue with Google. During the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech tricks and solutions. Once you're logged in, you'll notice there are no advanced prompts or shortcuts available. Only the basic input box with a few default options. Now open a new tab and search for AI-PRM Chat GPT prompts. Click the first link to open their website. Here, you'll find many advanced and effective prompts to enhance your ChatGPT experience. Click Install for free to proceed. You'll see multiple options, such as AI-PRM for ChatGPT for Google Chrome, or AI-PRM for Cloud for Google Chrome. Choose the ChatGPT option, click Download, and then Add to Chrome. During the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated
Once added,
with the latest tech
Allow
tricks and
and OK
solutions to access ChatGPT. Close the tab and reopen ChatGPT. To see the magic, click Get Started. And now all the advanced prompts are available for free. During the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech tricks and solutions. For example, let's try creating a complete book. Select the relevant prompt, write your topic, say, water crisis in the world, and watch as ChatGPT generates a detailed outline including a title, chapters, and all the book's content. And that's it. Copy the data and you're ready to go. Simple, efficient, and powerful. During the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech tricks and solutions.